Hello, my name is Murshid Alam. My passport number is A031366971. I am 36 years old. I am from Bangladesh. I have 5 years experience in caregiving and I am eager to working nursing home in Romania. I will take care of elderly men by cleaning their living space, preparing their meals, and speaking with them calmly and respectfully. I look forward to using my skill to improve their daily lives. Thank you.